2 contents per week. I spend almost a month editing just 1 video. What do you mean by 2 contents per week? Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. See, I know that I look crazy right now, but if I should say, let me go and maybe look too short or something, by the time I come back I will not want to vlog. So let's just, yeah, my name is Imole. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So there's a lot of things to catch up on. I just finished medical school and I'm trying to come back into the social media space. Like, I was like, yo, once I finish medical school, I'm just going to start dishing out content. I'm going to start sketching. I'm going to start doing this. It's a lie. I realized that I didn't even know how to even edit again. I didn't know how to even create content. Like, I had to start from scratch. I started editing videos in August, September. Then I started with TikTok. TikTok allows you to like play around with the camera. You can play around with your edits. So I started like using that one to like refine my hand. Then I entered Instagram. Now I am back on YouTube. And I'm just here to see like what life has in store for me. Do you guys know what? I'm going to continue this vlog after this whole thing is rearranged. So let's just end it here. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Stay. My mom came into Lagos today. I'm about to go fix a meal for her. When I was younger, like cooking wasn't something that came easily to me. So I always got insulted. My siblings, my mom, like they usually made jest of me. So when I was in school, I learned how to cook and I was always cooking for myself. Then after a while, maybe when friends came around, I cooked for them. I realized that my cooking was actually like getting better. Like, but you see, this year, my cooking took a like 180-degree turn. Like, it's bad as good right now. But the thing is, my family, they don't know that, and me, I flex on that. Like, anytime I'm home, they don't call me to cook, maybe just cook rice or something. They don't call me to cook soup, they don't call me to cook stew. I mean, I like it like that. I will just live my life routine. Nobody will stress me. But now I'm like, let me just do it. Let me give them a taste. Let me give them a taste. I'm at my brother's place. My elder sister is coming around soon. So I'm just trying to look alright because I told you guys I want to arrange myself. Doesn't make sense to come on YouTube looking crazy. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm not very active on TikTok and I'm not really active on Instagram, but I'm trying to grow my page one by one. This is December 1st, by the way. It's a lot of work trying to be active on social media, trying to learn the ropes because things keeps changing almost every day. Like, so you have to like always be in touch. But no worries, I'm ready for all of that. I'm ready for the work. This video like this better have views because my views has really dropped. It's not like they were much before. Like before I could get like 100 views, like 200 views. My biggest number is 33,000 naira. My biggest view is 33k views, and that was for like a air vlog. I was surprised. That's the most number I've had on my channel. Currently I have 320 subscribers. Beautiful, lovely, amazing people. But lately I've been getting like 18 views, 60 views. And I understand. I mean, I've been away for a very long time. So, well, now I'm back to stay. Like, I'm not joking around with anybody this time around. What do I do to this hair? Oh, I could just pack it up like this. I look back. I look like fuck. Let me go forward to pack my hair. Alright. If you want to know me, TikTok is where you should be. I share myself a lot there. I'm just beginning, shower. I know the content will keep improving anyway. And that is our 5 minutes. Get ready with me. Let's go and cook. My mom is already cooking. Mommy, leave this and let me do it. Mommy, leave this and let me do it now. Mommy, leave it, let me do it. I feel it. Thank you. So this is Iru. It's called locust beans, and this is pomo. I already boiled this pomo with salt and I chopped it. I want to make a sauce. Then this is fish. This is fish. I already washed it as well. And then the ground pepper, my mom already started grinding it, so this is what's left. I'll just finish up with that. Vlogging every day is very crazy. Back then when I just started my YouTube channel, having to post video was the hardest. Like, also some people say you should release like 2 contents in a week, 2 contents per week. I spent almost a month editing just 1 video. What do you mean by 2 contents per week? But lately it's been easy. I realized that I don't have to do too much. The reason why it was taking me so much time to actually edit is because I was always overthinking it. But instead, just like go with the flow and learn on the job. After a while of prolonged doing editing, you just get used to it. So this time around, I'm trying to take things easier, take life easier, and just go with the flow. So now I want to rinse the earring. So guys, to cook I need a lot of concentration, so I'm going to get into it without you guys. Say hello to my sister.
Hi. Hello,
Is the soup hot enough?
yes, I've seen him all there, but we have to block your landlord, cha. We have to block his gate. So we entered inside.